Yes, students, come to the third part of the question. What is the question? Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each correct answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer, and had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions are there in the test? We have to find out the total number of the questions in the test. So let us have the question. Let the correct answers are X and the wrong answers are Y. If Yash got 3 marks for each correct answer, and 1 marks is deducted for the wrong answer, each wrong answer, then his total score is 40, right? So the 3 multiplied by X is the marks for the correct answer, and the Y multiplied by 1 is the marks for the wrong answer. So the 3X minus Y is equal to 40 because marks are going to be deducted. So the score is 40. This is your first equation. And the marks for in the second equation, if the 4 marks is given, 4 marks is given for each correct answer and the 2 marks is deducted for each wrong answer, then 4 into X minus 2 into Y. And the score will be 50. So these are your 2 equations that you have to solve. Now come to the fourth question. Places A and B are 100 meters apart on the highway. We are having a highway and we have taken the 2 points A and B, and the distance between A and B is 100 kilometers. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. We are having the 2 cars. One car is moving from A and another car is moving from the B. If the cars are traveling in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the car? Let the speeds of the first car and the second car is X and Y. Okay, हमने मान लिया कि the speed that car is moving from the A point is having the X and from the B point is having the Y, kilometer per hour. Now the first case, if the first is given, the cars are moving in the same direction and meet at point C after 5 hours. Let us understand the question with the help of the diagram. We are having the 2 points A and B and they are 100 meters apart from each other. They are 100 kilometers apart. And we are having the 2 cars. One car is starting from the point A and the second car is starting from the point B. And they meet at point C after the 5 hours. Means the total time taken is 5 hours and the speed is X and Y. So we can find out the distance because distance is equal to speed into time. The distance is equal to speed into time. Here we are having the distance is equal to speed into time. So distance covered by the first car is 5x because x is the speed and 5 is the time. And the distance covered by the second car is 5y because y is the speed and 5 is the time. So what is distance? AC, because one car is starting from the point A. So the distance is AC is 5x and the second distance is BC, that is 5y. If I have subtracted BC from AC, अगर मैं AC में से BC subtract करती हूँ, then what I will get? AB, and what is the value of AB? Is 100 kilometers. Then put the values. 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. So x minus y is equal to 20 because we have taken 5 common from all the 3 terms. So this is your first equation. Now second equation, the car they are moving in the opposite direction. हमारे पास cars हैं A and they are moving in the opposite direction. Then they meet at point D. After 1 hour. Right? So हमारे पास AB is 100 kilometers. So AD is distance covered by the first car and BD is the distance covered by the second car. So AD distance, time is 1, speed is x. This distance is x kilometers and BD is the distance covered by the second. So what is the value of the BD? Is y is the speed and time is 1 hour. So distance covered by BD is y. Now what is AB? AB is the sum of AD plus BD. So AB is 100. So put the values of AD and BD, but we get x plus y is equal to 100. So this is the second linear equation. Now you have to solve this linear equation and you have to find out the value of the variables. Thank you.